party, though, this weekend, you may have to bring a poncho.
Yep.
Poncho and maybe
this is for my brackets to cry. I mean,
that's for you to cry. But you know, this is actually for the pollen count, because you find yourself sneezing, right?
I wondered why we were going to be tearing up.
Yeah.
That's right. Well, we know Kevin's crying over the whole
bracket
thing. So, yeah.
Well, at least you got it over with soon.
That's right.
Like one day.
Yes. Well, I tell you what. Well, we are looking at a pollen report, I tell you, that is going to be low tomorrow, which is much better than we have been experiencing. As you know, you might have been under the weather regarding that. Well, tomorrow a little different story, because we are going to have some showers and some thunderstorms that will put a little bit of a damper, to say the least, on some of that pollen that is out there. But it will return in full force for the second half of the weekend going into the beginning of next week. Just want to give you a heads up there. Now you can see all the showers back off to the west in Alabama, Mississippi, moving into central Georgia at this point in time. And our futurecast shows that some of those will be moving in certainly after the midnight hour, going into the early morning hours. They'll get a bit of a break. And depending upon how much sunshine we get tomorrow afternoon will depend upon how strong some of those storms with that cold front will be. So we'll watch that closely during the course of the afternoon. Biggest concern with any strong storms tomorrow will be winds and maybe even a little bit of hail as well. So the Daily Planner is a wet start for the weekend, and a cooler Sunday and Monday, and yes, some dry days ahead. I'll have that breakdown for you with the 7-day forecast coming up shortly.